salad. One big bite. Mm. One big bite. One big bite. One big bite. Hi mga bebesh! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Crazy Maith, your beast, hungry. And if you are new to my channel, you can just like, subscribe, and if you have a question or suggestion, you can just comment down below and I will answer that as soon as possible. And if you want to notified every time I had a new upload, you can just ring the bell button like ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding 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 dong. And guys, as you can see, I have a simple message to all of you as a human being on my forehead. And let's pray for our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Pray for them. This is my simple to show my sympathy and to show my support to them, you know. And I am no power, I have no enough strength, I have no money, I have no voice. So this is to show my support for Palestine brothers and sisters. Stay safe and hope everything will be okay. And let's save and pray for Palestine brothers and sisters. So guys, let's dig in. Oh no, I wanna introduce my food, my mukbang for today. My mukbang for today, guys, is very, very, very simple. Like my message in here, simple. Let's show our support to them and be human, you know, because at the end of the day, we are all human, okay? You're gonna end up there or there. We're gonna end up like a worm, okay? No, worm will eat us at the end of the day. So I mean, my message is life is too short, you know. Why hate? Okay, let's love each other and respect. So I have here beef, simple. We called it lauya, but my lauya is really dry. I don't want to drink any soup or drink. Are we drinking soup? I don't want to slurp any soup today. I want it dry and simple. Here we have chive and eggs, fried eggs and chives, omelette, I mean, cucumbers. This is one cucumber, I split it into two. And bean sprouts. This did I say that? Yes, it's beef. And a slice of radish, my kimchi, and greens. Okay, so let's dig in because I am so hungry. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I didn't eat anything since morning. So kimchi, chives, and egg. One big bite. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. You know why? The beef is spicy, the kimchi is spicy, the egg is spicy, and I brushed my teeth. I did push a little bit. So Mm. Yum. Mm. Beef and kimchi. I am talking about the singkamas. This like mm, it's really hard for me to chew and to eat spicy food today because I don't know, it's gingivitis. Gingivitis is on the gum. This is my gum. You know when you are brushing your teeth and then you push a bit of, you push a little bit and there's wound inside. In Tagalog we called it singaw. You know, the beef is really tender and succulent. Huh? This part, guys, is like spicy and I really save the little kimchi for my one big bite of egg. Mm. Spicy. Ow. May singaw. Done. What a break. So guys, once again, I want to ask you to please pray for Gaza, Palestine, and Syria. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.